In this module, we'll be enabling IIS integration on the beacon. So back to Flex Beacon in our CloudShare environment, it's in full screen mode. I'm going to launch Server Manager. Once that loads, then I'll click on Add Roles and Features, then Next. Role-based or feature-based installation is what we want. Hit Next. There's our Flex Beacon. Hit Next. On server roles, we'll scroll down to web server, enable that, hit add features, and then hit next. Then we'll click on role services in the left panel and we'll start turning on some of these services. So first we go under web server, common HTTP features. We're going to turn on HTTP redirection. Performance is good. Actually, in performance, we're going to turn on dynamic content compression. Under security, basic authentication, and Windows authentication. We're going to expand application development. Turn on .NET extensibility, 3.5 and 4.7. ASP 3.5, hit add features, 4.7 as well, and CGI. Then we scroll to the bottom, make sure Manage Tools IIS Management Console is enabled. That all looks good. Click Next, click Install. Now this is going to take a while to install. So now that's done. We can go to our beacon now, and under local web server, we can turn on the IIS server. We're not using HTTPS in the lab environment. So then we just hit save, hit OK, and that should configure IIS. So to verify, we go back to Server Manager, Tools, IIS, open up the FlexNet Beacon, Sites, default website, and you can see our beacon services here. And ideally, if we go back to Flexera 1 and then take a look at the beacon, we can hit edit on this, and there's this section where it says beacon web server status. I don't think it's talked to the beacon yet, but this will say IIS when it's complete.